This video is about a bike ride in the Bitterroot Mountains on the route of the Hiawatha, the former Milwaukee Road passenger line that ran from the Midwest all the way out to Seattle. It's a beautiful ride.
The route of the Hiawatha is 15 miles one way.
There are 7 mile-high trestles on this route. Again, very picturesque, along with 9 tunnels, some of them long and dark.
On the tunnel, the first tunnel you'll see, that tunnel was almost 2 miles long and it was pitch black. We did use headlamps, and we also put our bicycle lights on as well to make sure we could see what was coming at us. You'll notice that I have a plastic bag over me. It's because the tunnel was quite wet. It had rained and it was pretty muddy.
Oh, there's the light at the end of the tunnel, finally. Oh no!
Hi, here we are at the Hiawatha Trail. This is the first waterfall we're seeing. We just came out of this tunnel, which was 2 miles long. It was dark, wet, and cold, but we made it fine. We got a little dirty. Not a big deal. And this is the bike path now, or a walking path.
It's on the old route of the Milwaukee Road, Hiawatha train. And the tunnel we came out of, as Lisa said, is almost 2 miles long. It's right at the beginning of the east quarter of the trail. But it's a very fun ride. So we're looking forward to the rest of the ride. Come with us.
This is another high trestle. And ooh, I feel scared. There's a railing on here, but it's still scary standing up this high with almost a see-through railing. You can see how up high we are. And these spruce trees smell so fragrant. We are on top of the trestle, and look how far down this thing goes. It is so high. We are in between 2 mountains on this trestle, going across on our bikes. It's pretty scary when you look down and you realize how high up you are.
There is the previous trestle we just went over. And those 2 are the next trestles we're coming up on.
Yet another trestle. I think this is number 4. Very long one. With gorgeous scenery. You can see the next trestle over there. You can see all the massively tall pine trees. Oh my goodness. What a gorgeous place.
We're going through tunnel number 4. This is the Hiawatha Trail. Gorgeous scenery. This tunnel is a very short tunnel. I don't even think we almost don't need our lights because you can see the other end of it. Earlier we had a deer inside of the tunnel. We met almost head on, but unfortunately the camera wasn't on, so we missed it. Here we are inside the tunnel, going through. Oh my goodness. Yep, keep. There's a small creek trestle number 216. Length is 515 feet and the height is 120 feet. Here we go over the trestle. Here we go over the trestle. Look how far down this thing goes. It's huge. So we're coming across this trestle. Look at the scenery out here. Just gorgeous. This is where a train went at one time. All across here in these mountains. These beautiful pine trees. Oh, they smell so good. Which one? Oh yeah, there's one down there. Yeah, that's the other one we're gonna go over. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look how far down there. Ooh, wee.
It's down there, isn't it?
That is high. We are so high right now. Hold on a minute. We are so high.
You can't even tell.
You can't even tell how high we are right now.
It's going to drop your phone.
I know. Oh my.
One thing we had to run into was the chipmunks attacking us for food. They'd come right up to your shoes, and if I think you'd let them, they probably would have climbed up your leg. They were very cute, actually, just watching them run around. We just returned from the Hiawatha bike trail in Montana. And as you can see, bicycles, truck, people, all full of mud. But it was fun anyway. Lisa?
30 miles. We went round trip.
The trail is very well maintained and signed. You can't get lost. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful trail. You should go see it. You all come back now. You hear?